time to start your YouTube channel. Time everybody knows what's going on and stuff, but I'm really proud that you guys subscribe to my channel. I passed the 100 mark, people. Audience of 100 people listening to what I'm saying. They subscribe, they love the videos, they love my grind, they love my personality. I'm just keep on going. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so happy if you tuning in again. Has been gone for just a couple of days, not no weeks, not no months, not no anything. It's because I spend quality time with family and friends. YouTube and private life, don't want to get that mixed up, although I am sharing a little bit of my private life. Yes, I enjoyed it, I really did. And why I'm making this short video, this video is a thank you video, because I want to thank each and every one of you all who, the 102 subscribers. Say yeah, you guys made it to 102 subscribers. We are going to go on and beyond. The grind is there. This is time to actually grinding on this channel. We keep on growing on this channel. And people, I want to thank each and every one of you all who believe in me, who doubted on me, who hate me, who I don't know. I don't care. But I want to thank those who do believe in me, who do support my back, and who want this channel to grow so that we can grow together. And I know the grind is not, it's really hard to grow a channel, a YouTube channel, from 0 to 100. Yes, it is true. The first 100 subscribers are really hard, and everything into it. But it will be an upcoming video this week here. I will show you guys how to grow your channel from 0 to 100. Grind is right. I want people to, who doubting on themselves, who don't have no self-confidence, grow your channel. Go ahead. You want to speak something, speak it. Take a camera, take your phone camera, whatsoever, and just start recording yourself and put it out there. Keep on doing it. And I love what I'm doing here, because I'm saying I'm inspiring 100 and something people. This is what I want to say. I want to thank you all so much, and keep on staying on this channel. Keep on liking it, keep on subscribing. All the new people, come on, welcome to the outrageous family. Here is all about being outrageous, being you, being your unique self and nobody else. Don't let nobody tell you anything, oh you cannot do it or whatsoever. No, you could, and I want you guys to grow with me. So don't forget, check out this week videos, what is going to be coming up. It's just going to be greater and greater and being greater. Thank you all. Don't forget, stay at home, take care of yourself and love. Give all a lot of support. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and comment down below in the section. I love you guys, and stay tuned for more. Mwah.